କିଛି ଜିନିଷ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ କରିବା, କିଛି ଜିନିଷ କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁ କରିବା ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷ ଗୋଟେ ଷ୍ଟେଜ୍ରେ ନେଇକି ଯିବା. ଦିସ୍ ଆର୍ 3 different phases of life.
Co-founder କିଏ ରହିଛନ୍ତି ଦହିବରା ଏକ୍ସପ୍ରେସର and if you want to share about.
So initially when I started, so that investor himself, he was a co-founder actually, but then then one of my close friend, you can say जे मोर पूर्वर business रे भी partner थिला, we were partner. I mean I was the brain behind it. I pull him and then the investor as well. So we started this business initially, but then କିଛି ଜିନିଷ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ କରିବା, କିଛି ଜିନିଷ କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁ କରିବା ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷ ଗୋଟେ ଷ୍ଟେଜ୍ରେ ନେଇକି ଯିବା. ଦିସ୍ ଆର୍ 3 different phases of life, and it is not always important that somebody who has started, he will go or reach to the third step. And if you find somebody who has started and want to finish this with you, they are the actual co-founders.